In this video, I show you how to fix GCash detected and untrusted connection. For your protection, please switch networks, close and reopen the apps. Port reference for 64948. For fixing this problem, if you're using any VPN or proxy, first of all dial this. For debugging, go to Settings. Now Source Settings. Source for VPN. Tap on VPN. Then tap on Settings icon. Then tap on Forget VPN. Forget. If you are using another VPN, then also remove this. Forget VPN, forget. Now go to your phone settings, then go to Apps. Then go to See All Apps. Now find out GCash. Tap on GCash. Tap on Force Stop. Then OK. Then tap on Storage and Cache. Clear cache. Go back. Then tap on Permission. Allow all permission. After doing this, must restart your phone. Now open GCash app. Now I hope that this method fix GCash detected and untrusted connection. For your protection, please switch networks, close app and reopen the app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.